Because this is a full district and we have moved over 3 hours after work.
Yeah, of course nkakasa nti mu kino ekitundu mulimu abantu abanjagadde okulakulanyayo naye abantu okuinvestinga kati mu kitundu nga kino okusaayo lodges, okusaayo discotheque, okusaayo recreational places, waliwo ebintu ebimu ebibasikiriza okugeza ng'oluguudo. Singa oluguudo lw'eno baalukola bulungi nnyo, ndishuwa nti abaana ab'eno abazaliddwa ku kitundu kino bandibadde bagamba waffe njagala genda kuzimbayo club, njagala kuzimbayo hotel, njagala kuzimbayo lodges n'efaanana bwe bityo. So gavumenti yo kyerina okukola kwe kukyanguyiza abantu babakolera enguudo, abantu babeere nga batuukayo bulungi nnyo, ne bakasitoma okujja kiba kijja banguya.
Finally, the president has opened his room, and this is the best room that they have.
The moment, let me first check this.
Officer, that's the best that is here.
This is Madio Kolo.
Okay.
The president has
checked him.
This is the best that is here. So we're sleeping in the next room.
President,
This next
don't
room
expect anything different.
No. My point is, kubanga tetuka agulu, to make sure one of us is the one. So neno mujibooking, then edako manje. Let us book all the rooms.
Or can't you shift him to another room? You want to have this one and this one.
Yourself, maybe get one here and over here and everybody. Let us take over all this room. We are back in the days of Kamocha now.
Mr. President,
we are
an adjustment.
Yes, please. You're switching the mattress. You're putting a new one.
Mr. President, you said you're okay with the room?
No, I'm okay with the room. I mean, this is all that we have here. So let us. It is only one night.
Remove the bed sheet first.
Yeah. What you do? Yeah, I have.
Just remove all of them.
Yeah.
What is that? National ID.
National ID for somebody.
Oh.
It has not been used today, right? Yes. Today it's fresh. I have some I have some Dumal spray.
This is a full district of audio call.
No, but
it is in West Nile, and this is the best hotel you can find here. This features here a lot.
I come from Kamocha. Momolabi president kati naye waliyo oli Bobi Wine a long time. So it's a matter of just switching back to the old times.
We leave it. Hey, leave it.
You can leave it.
Officer,
oh yeah. I think we are better.
He's going to remove movement. He's going to put broom and they close them.
Yeah. And I'm going to get my own bed sheet.
The place is hot.
Where is the owner of this place? I want to see the next person.
Mr. President, let's say from me, how would you want the public receive this news that you've slept here?
I think it is not news, honestly. I mean, apart from the fact that, I'm a presidential candidate, but I'm like any other traveler, because I'm sure business people come to Madio Kolo, you know, however rich you are, when you reach and this is a facility that's there, you're going to use it. Now this is the best that we have. I sent a team to look for the best. This is the best that is there. Other than sleeping in a car, you can walk out there, take a quick shower. It's just one day. Of course it could be better. It can be better. It must be better. You know, like I said, how I wish there were other factors that influenced people to invest. Because there's business in this place, the population is packed. There can be business here if there are incentives to do business. For example, if it was easy to access this place, I'm sure even the people that are born in this place would want to invest here, to invest in their own homes.